Yo, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? Happy first of the month and 1st of August FOMC yesterday. It was really nice push yesterday. If you guys managed to catch any of the move yesterday, overall, very nice. Very nice. So 1st of August now, beginning of the month. Monthly candle closed bullish. Question is, how are you gonna open here on the monthly candle? Very nice. Let me set up trading view real quick. Alright, we're here. We're live. We're live and direct. Alright. Cool. Everything's set up, right? Alright, chat. Alright, let's dive in now and answer, shall we? First of August here. Man. How are you guys doing on July, by the way? I'm up 5% on my part, which is not bad. 5% on a month, which is cool. Right, August. Cool. Let's see here. Monthly open up to a close bullish. Again, the past 5 months now, you have no bottom, which you've been consistently pushing up. I'm assuming with this monthly candle close bullish like this, if you were to drive up and if you open up on a monthly candle with a bottom wick and you flip on a monthly candle, you are just gonna continue to follow the rest of the range on the monthly candle. I'm probably gonna push to new all-time high. The question is, where are you gonna push down if you are going to create a bottom wick? That is a question. And look at the previous 5 monthly candle. So I was saying this is the resistance right here, and this is your support right here. You have not found a support anywhere in between this level right here. You've been pushing up for one big continuous 5 candle right here. So I'm assuming if you are coming down, you're probably gonna have to grab liquidity minimum towards like 2300, which is a bottom weight below here, to grab liquidity if you are coming down first on opening on the monthly candle. And then if you do flip, that will be your bottom weight for you to come up and break the high for the range minimum and potentially break the high on the monthly candle, right? So look at the monthly here. So off the bat, I can see that the monthly candle closed bearish, right? You're coming up, you're pushing up here. You break the high, you tap into 2450 here on a weekly candle. Now, bear in mind that any given time this weekly candle can come down, and that will be the opening of the monthly candle here. Because if you are coming down on the weekly, and you come all the way down towards this bottom, the range here, again, where's that monthly candle gonna leading up towards this bottom, this no bottom wick candle, right, which is a bottom range on a weekly candle. So be aware that yes, we are pushing up here, but with the weekly candle you are certainly can pushing up down now, because now you tap into this level right here onto your left, 2450 to see this top wick right here onto your left. You can pushing down any given time now, with the way that you pushing up here with the previous weekly candle closed back inside the range, like this. And just be aware that if you flip on a weekly candle, that is your top wick, and if you flip on a candle, I'm assuming that is big liquidity for you to drive all the way down towards this bottom, the range, not this minor range now. It could be until that minor range, But I'm assuming that with that amount of liquidity volume grab, if you're coming down and you flip on a weekly candle, not only you come down and break the low on the previous weekly candle and fill the range, you'll be able to come all the way down towards this bottom of the range here, like 2300, and that will be the opening of the monthly candle. If it's not this week, it'll probably be the next week. So daily you close bullish outside the box here. Now if you're coming back down on the daily here, that is literally a fake out on a daily, that is literally a top wick on a weekly, and a fake out on a liquidity grab on a weekly. Now the question is, the fact that you've got a daily close bullish above the range here, any given time this thing can come down for a bottom wick and then flip and coming up and for the rest of this range right here onto the monthly candle. That is a possibility. Again, with the weekly, you just need to be aware that any given time the weekly can actually come down and flip, and that will be the top wick or fake out on the daily, right? So be open to that. But overall, we just got to see what's a small time frame doing here. Okay, so you close above here, cool. I'll say if you close below here, yeah, if you close below here, that'd be nice. So you now establish a resistance right here. 1 hour kind of start to flip here. Very nice. That we can definitely take the advantage of selling down for this range here. And what is that range? 40 pips range. Let me mark up on my 4 hour candle, because the 4 hour candle can definitely come down for this range right here. Okay, cool. So the 1 hour candle closed back below the range, which is nice. The 30 minutes candle closed below here, cool. Kinda wanted to close below that, but if the 5 candle close below here, chat, it'll go be a straight sell for me. A straight sell going down towards this bottom level. Because looking left, you have a minus support here. But if you sell below here, you should be able to come down, and the 4 hour candle should be able to come down for the rest of that range. Alright. Where's this what fit on a 4 minutes here? 15 pips, not bad. One minute here. There'll be a potential sell going down here in 1 minute. 20 seconds. Now if this 5 cause no bottom wick, I might not go in on this 5. But if you close with like, if you leave some bottom wick here, that'd be nice. Five no bottom wick. I can't go in this 5 here. It's a little bit rough for me. Unless you come down and then you there you go, you come down and then you start to reject because of 5 no bottom wick. So now if I'm gonna go in, I'm going on a sell stop on the re-break the low of 5, okay? Assuming that you should be able to come down for this range right here, cause it's just literally clean traffic if you are going down and re-break the low. Okay chat, so that's what I've got going on here. Just a sell stop on the re-break the low of the 5. Assuming that if you are coming down and re-break the low of the 5, you should be able to drive down towards this bottom of the range here. If you don't flip on this 5 here, I'll wait for the 1 hour candle closure. Right, so you start to reject here, that's nice. You come down and you break the low here. Okay, so we end position here for the sell going down. TP would be literally the range fill on the 4 hour candle, right? And stop loss would be the 4 hour candle flip, I'll say, which is a 4 hour candle high. Alright chat. I'm looking left. This 4 hour candle wick fell here. Right, so you guys can see that I'm in on the break the low of the 5 here. Now let's see what we're doing here. I'm assuming you should be able to come down and fill that wick on the 4 hour candle. don't have a top like here. Once you come down here, $446, which you already tapped there. A closure below here, just a straight drive. Coming down for that range. Cool. 4 minutes for the 1 hour candle closure here. I might have a pineapple. Depends on how the 1 hour candle open. Like for you to continue to drive up, you're gonna have to tap towards that 342 here by the look of it. 3 minutes here. What is this white fill here? 24 pips. Nice. Two minutes. That was 8. 50? Yeah. One minute. One minute, man. Now, if the 1 hour candle closed no bottom wick here, my friend, that'd be rough. Ideally, I want to see some bottom wick here. Seconds. Okay. Close below. How do you open up here? Right, let's see how you open up here. I'm assuming it should be a clean drive coming down here for the rest of the range on the 4-hour candle. After you made a fake out, come back inside range, break the high, but the next time if you were to drive up, we are down here minimum, but I could be wrong. Right, let's see what you're doing here. Coming up for a top wick. One more time. Like if the top wick like coming up somewhere like here, I could look for another position. But until then, there's nothing much for me to do. Still opening the 1-hour candle. Okay, the 5 flip after create a top wick. What will you do here, my friend? If this 5 coming down, no top wick, I'm going to put stop loss into break even, okay? Only if you come down, you break the low with no top wick. Okay, so you come up for a top wick, that's nice. Like I said, if you come up to us at this level right here, I'll have an out position 24.44 if sale going down. $24.44. $24. Okay. Look on the left, the top wick is still going to be here. So that's the top wick level. Getting tapped there and you start to reject. if I open up no bottom wick, okay. Depends on how the 15 candle open here, we could have in our position. If the 15 open up, right? If the 15 open up no bottom wick, I'll have in our position sell going down. Because I'm assuming you should be able to come down towards these level to the left. Minimum. Before you rip up. If you do decide to flip on the 15 going up. That is only if you open up with a top wick and no bottom wick. Otherwise it's not ideal. One minute here for a 15 candle closure. $0.20 here. If you open up with a top wick here, that'll be a straight sell going down for me. How did the 5 close? Ew. 5 close, no bottom wick. I'm gonna put my stop loss into break even here. It didn't even let me. On the re-break the low, definitely. It didn't even let me place it. Yeah, the 15 should be able to come out and fill this range here. I wanted to see like another break of the low on the 15 here before you drive up. But let's see if it does that. You should be able to come out and fill this range on the 15 here, but I want to see if you can come down on the 15 here and break the low, because overall you're still closing respect in this area right here. Break even now will be on the break of this low here. Right, can you come down and re-break the low here? Man, it wouldn't let me chat. Alright, so that is a risk-free trade, okay? If you drive down, you drive down. If you don't, I don't know what to tell you. Just be aware that this 5 no bottom wick any given time. Once you re-break the low, you should technically you should be driving down, but if you start to hovering up here, break the low on the 15 here and you flip, you should be able to come out and fill the range on the 15, and that is why you have to be very on point with your risk management. Alright, so that is a risk-free trade. Okay, so with that being said, not bad. I think we only we peaked like 2 or 3 pips. That's alright. That is really up to you guys how you want to manage your risk. Now, if this 15 candle closed bullish below this range, we could look for another position sell going down. But I need to wait for the 15 candle close and the 30 minutes candle close. I really didn't think you're gonna create another top wick before you come down and rebreak the low here. Okay, you come down here. Now, if you come down for the rest of the range on a 4-hour candle, I can't do much. And if you do that, then I'll just call it a day. But we see how the 15 candle close here. Because any given time, this 15 can flip and for the rest of this range, for all I know. There you go. 5 flip. We'll wait for a 5 minutes candle closure, right, guys? For now, until we see another position. waiting for the closure of the 15 here. Now if the 30 minutes candle closed no bottom weight chart, I am afraid that I cannot take anything, and I'm afraid it might be just a day altogether. Yeah, chat, looks like it followed the rest of that 4 hour candle wick. There you go, TP tapped. So with that, got printed. I think I'll call it a day until like another closure below here. Another closure below here or something. And that'd be clean. 4 hours overall, you don't have a support until here. Actually, you can see it here. That's all we have, right? Yeah, I'll stay here for now. At 24.20. But that's all I had, chat. That's why I'll kind of wait for which you've done that now. I was afraid that the 5 no bottom weight could literally rip you up again. But you just slowly come down, you create like just wick, and then start to try to go down. 5 minutes no top wick here. Yeah, chat, I think I'm gonna call it a day. That 4 hour candle wick fell. 5 minutes candle come down, no top wick. It's a little bit tough. But yeah, man, break even day on the first day of 1st August, still a dub for me because stick to the plan, adapt and overcome. Still a major win, right? Just got newsletter, so that's will give you a bit of volume, but overall I don't think you're gonna move much now from now to news, because you're probably gonna come up here for a top wick 24.2, and then after that, then you, if you want to push, you can push. But for me to see that you are going to continue going down, I need to see a minimum closure below 23.36 to even confidently say that, oh yeah, you are coming down. And if you are coming down, you're probably gonna come down to a 24.20. But yeah, that is for me chart. Wow, wow, wow. What is what for 14? Not bad. Anyway, chat. I hope you guys have a good rest of the day. And if you guys continue to trade, make sure you trade with stop loss. Make sure you follow your plan. Don't blow your account. 1st of August. Hope you guys had a good wrap on July. Me personally, my account is up 5%. You probably had more. You probably had less. But again, overall, if you come out on top and you still got your account and you're still trading every day, you still stick to your plan, you're still showing up every day, again, that is a major one, right? And I hope you guys have a good rest of the day, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow, right? Just because our whole 4 hour candle for the rest of the week here. Now I don't know what it's gonna do, whether it's gonna close below 23.47, 24.37, or it's gonna close above. That's for you to see in 25 minutes. Alright, so with that being said, catch you guys tomorrow stream. Alright, see you later.